Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today, we're going into something that many of us struggle with: saving money. It can feel like our hard-earned cash just vanishes into thin air, right? But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk about 14 common things people waste money on and how you can save instead. Stick around until the end for a special tip that could really boost your savings. 1. Impulse buying. Impulse buying is a common problem that can wreak havoc on your budget. We've all been there, making unplanned purchases that we later regret. These small, spur-of-the-moment buys can really add up over time. Instead, try implementing the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying something non-essential. This gives you time to consider if you really need the item or if it's just an impulse. Additionally, make a shopping list before heading to the store and stick to it. This helps you avoid unnecessary purchases and keeps your spending in check. Furthermore, unsubscribing from marketing emails and avoiding the temptation aisle in stores can reduce the likelihood of impulsive purchases. 2. Buying coffee daily. Those daily lats from your favorite coffee shop can add up to over $1,000 a year. Consider making your coffee at home. Invest in a good coffee maker or a French press and some quality beans. Not only will you save money, but you can also customize your brew to your liking. Plus, it's an excellent way to start your day with a sense of accomplishment. You can also experiment with different flavors and brewing methods, turning your morning coffee into a delightful ritual. Additionally, buying coffee in bulk and grinding your own beans can provide a fresher and more cost-effective solution than frequenting coffee shops. 3. Eating out frequently. While dining out can be a fun and convenient option, doing so regularly can seriously dent your budget. Plan your meals for the week and cook at home. Not only is this often healthier, but you can also control your portions and ingredients. Cooking can be a fun and creative activity, and there are countless recipes online to try. Consider meal prepping on weekends to save time during the week. This way, you'll have delicious, homemade meals ready to go, reducing the temptation to eat out. Moreover, cooking at home allows you to explore different cuisines and improve your culinary skills, making it a rewarding experience. 4. Subscription services. Subscription services are another money drain. Do you really need multiple streaming services, music subscriptions, and premium apps? Evaluate which ones you actually use and enjoy. Cancel the ones that don't add significant value to your life. You can always resubscribe if you miss them. Also, consider sharing subscriptions with family or friends to split the cost. Many services offer family plans that can be more cost-effective. Furthermore, taking advantage of free trials and rotating subscriptions based on what you want to watch or listen to can maximize value and minimize costs. 5. Gym memberships. Gym memberships can be a great investment in your health, but only if you use them regularly. If you're not using your gym membership, it's just wasted money. Try home workouts or free outdoor activities instead. There are plenty of free resources online, including workout videos and fitness apps, to help you stay active without the cost. Walking, jogging, and cycling are excellent ways to get in shape without spending a dime. Additionally, community centers often offer affordable fitness classes, and local parks can provide spaces for group workouts or recreational sports. 6. Brand name products. Often, generic or store brand products are just as good as brand names, but at a fraction of the cost. Give them a try and see how much you can save. This applies to groceries, medications, and household items. In many cases, the ingredients and quality are nearly identical. Do a little research and read reviews to find the best generic options available. Over time, these savings can really add up. Also, consider buying in bulk for non-perishable items, as this can further reduce costs and minimize the frequency of shopping trips. 7. Buying bottled water. Buying bottled water is not only expensive, but also harmful to the environment. Invest in a good water filter and a reusable bottle. It's better for your wallet and the planet. You can fill up your bottle at home and take it with you wherever you go. Many public places, including parks and gyms, have water fountains where you can refill for free. This small change can lead to significant savings and reduce your plastic waste. Additionally, flavored water infusions made at home can provide a refreshing alternative to expensive bottled beverages. 8. New tech gadgets. The allure of the latest tech gadgets can be hard to resist, but do you really need the newest phone or tablet every year? Stick with your current model until it's truly necessary to upgrade. Often, the differences between models are minimal, and your existing device can meet your needs just fine. Keep your gadgets in good condition by using protective cases and maintaining them properly. This way, you can extend their lifespan and save money. Moreover, when it's time to upgrade, consider selling your old device or trading it in for credit towards your new purchase. 9. Fast fashion. Fast fashion is tempting because it's trendy and affordable, but it's also a big waste of money. Instead of buying trendy clothes that go out of style quickly, invest in classic pieces that will last for years. Look for high-quality, timeless items that you can mix and match. Building a versatile wardrobe with durable pieces can save you money in the long run. Plus, it's better for the environment, as it reduces waste and the demand for cheap, disposable clothing. Additionally, consider second-hand shopping and clothing swaps to find quality items at a fraction of the cost. 10. Convenience foods. Pre-packaged meals and snacks are convenient but pricey. Plan and prepare your meals to save money. Cooking from scratch is not only more economical but also healthier. You can control the ingredients and portion sizes, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet. Batch cooking and freezing meals can save time and ensure you always have something nutritious on hand. This approach can help you avoid the temptation of expensive convenience foods. Moreover, involving your family in meal prep can turn it into a fun and educational activity, promoting healthier eating habits. 11. Extended warranties. Extended warranties often aren't worth the cost. Many products come with a good manufacturer warranty already, and you might never need the extra coverage. Before purchasing an extended warranty, consider the likelihood of needing it and the cost of potential repairs. Often, the money spent on the warranty could be better saved for future repairs or replacements. Do your research and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Additionally, using your credit card's built-in warranty protection can offer extra coverage without additional cost. 12. Lottery tickets. The odds of winning the lottery are incredibly slim, and buying tickets regularly can add up to a significant expense. Instead of spending money on lottery tickets, save or invest that money. You'll see a more reliable return over time. Consider setting up a dedicated savings account or investing in low-risk options. The excitement of potentially winning the lottery is enticing, but the reality is that you're more likely to grow your wealth through consistent saving and investing. Moreover, setting clear financial goals and working towards them can provide a more fulfilling sense of achievement. 13. Excessive gifting. While it's great to show appreciation for others, excessive gifting can strain your budget. You don't have to break the bank to show you care. Thoughtful, handmade, or personalized gifts can mean just as much, if not more. Focus on the sentiment rather than the price tag. Plan your gift giving in advance to take advantage of sales and discounts. This way, you can give meaningful gifts without overspending. Additionally, setting a budget for gifts and sticking to it can help manage expectations and reduce financial stress during holidays and special occasions. 14. Unused subscriptions and memberships. Unused subscriptions and memberships can drain your finances without you even realizing it. Audit your subscriptions regularly to see what you're actually using. Cancel anything that doesn't provide value or that you no longer need. This includes magazine subscriptions, online memberships, and any other recurring charges. Being proactive about managing these expenses can free up money for other financial goals. Additionally, consider using a subscription management app to keep track of your recurring payments and avoid unwanted charges. So there you have it, minus 14 things people waste money on and how you can save instead. What's your best money-saving tip? Share it in the comments below. Let's help each other out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.